Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I will show how to create outro on your YouTube channel. So guys, let's start today's video. So guys, this template is I am choosing, and this template I will customize. So guys, keep watching this video. So I hope you can easily creating your outros. So guys, this is template, and enjoy and subscriber. This photo I will remove. So just I am watching. Thanks for watching and enjoy this. And this template is totally customized. Okay, now I'm customized, and keep watching this video. So guys, I'm just change my channel logo, and outro is features. So I'm check again. YouTube, outros, bar chart. So guys, I'm just a element added, and the background this icon. Okay, just I'm here and drag and drop. So just here look, and so guys, I'm just customize of in this skin video. So just crop and right side left side crop. So guys, this video is ready, so I'm just finish watching, and I upload again on my channel. So keep watching this video. So I hope you'll subscribe this channel and like this video. So goodbye.